Layela musukumkhonza ngoba ulinda impendulo. Musukukhuleka ngoba ulinda ukuthi akutholele umsebenzi. Musukukhuleka because you want your blessings. Akukhuleke because of who he is. Besides feeling like your prayers are not answered, you need to praise him for who he is. We should stop praising Jesus simply because we are in trouble or simply because we need answers of something. We need to praise him because of who he is. Lo muntu uyisicelo nesiphetho sethu, guys. Lo muntu uyasithethelela. Lo muntu unathi ebuhleni nasebubini. For the fact that you are still alive and intanga zethu ziningi sizingcwabile. For the fact ukuthi thina kwazile ukusinikeza ama-second chance throughout everything. 10 years. 10 years yonke without understanding who he is. 10 years ngimhlanganisa, but ukwazile ukunginika ithuba ngakhona ukubuyela kuyena ngamkhonza ngisaphelele. Kunabantu namhlanje abahleli kuma-wheelchair bayafisa ukuthi bangagijimela esontweni bayomkhonza, thina sisaphelele. Ayibo, awukhonza uNkulunkulu because of who he is, not because of what he can do to you. Usesenesikhathi.